Hey, what's up, SafeMoon holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, once again, I'm present with another big news, alert news for all SafeMoon holders. My friends, just keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video, my friends. My friends, in this video, first of all, we discuss the latest price of the SafeMoon, what's the current price, what's the prices, and what's going on at this time in the SafeMoon we discuss. And after that, we talk about more about the price, what will be the next move of the SafeMoon. So the currently price of the SafeMoon is 0.00003 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the SafeMoon. Furthermore, if we discuss the currently price of the SafeMoon, so the latest last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day, last 1 week pricing, so the SafeMoon is negative. The currently situation, my friends, at this time the SafeMoon situation is going better. The last 1 hour pricing is positive, and I really appreciate this time the SafeMoon. I'm very happy to see this kind of positive trends occur in the SafeMoon. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about SafeMoon? Please also share in the comment box. And you know what, my friends, at this time the SafeMoon start pumping in. As I told you, my friends, in my previous many videos, that SafeMoon will take a huge pump. There is a higher possibilities to the price of the SafeMoon is going to increase in the last half month. And as you know, it is the last half month, that's why it is just a beginning. The huge pump is coming, so you have to just hold, you have to just wait for the huge pump. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about SafeMoon? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.